Hello everyone, and welcome to another HVACQuick video. This one is going to be different than our product spotlight. We're going to go ahead and talk about some of the things that you can do with the products available on the website. Today, it's obviously getting cold because we're getting close to winter, and it's becoming important to move hot air from the front of the house where you generally have a stove or some other heating device to the back where people congregate and sleep at night. What we do is we use a couple of the AirTech grills, one in the front room, one in the back, connected with a 6-inch inline duct fan, typically a Solar Plow TD150, maybe a Fantech FG6, whichever you prefer. Connecting all that together will be some of our 6-inch inline flexible duct so that we can kind of maintain the heat that we're moving to and fro through the cold attic. The boot on one of the AirTech grills connects to ductwork, that connects to the fan, that connects to ductwork, that connects to our other AirTech grill. These can be controlled by a variety of different things. The thermostat is one way to go. A lot of people will put it on a switch on the wall, maybe even a timer so that you can have it shut off in the middle of the night when the fire starts to die down. If you wanted to chat about this, go ahead and give us a call at 888-855-7229 or email sales@HVACQuick.com. Thank you.